We're going to make you the rich man. It's Money Monday, and there's been a lot of talk, as you know, in Michigan about the high insurance rates we pay, especially for car insurance. Lawmakers in Lansing, the Detroit mayor, all have ideas on how to cut your insurance costs, but there are some things we can do right now that could save us some big money. Ray Moulden is here. He's our guest this morning from Allstate Insurance. His office is in Oak Park, and Ray, as you like to tell everybody, you are the only Allstate office.
In Oak Park.
In Oak Park. So
Thank you, Mary.
You can't miss him. I wanted to mention that. All right. What's the biggest mistake you see people make?
The biggest mistake I see people make is that they don't properly take the time to review their insurance needs. Everybody wants to do a quick quote. They want a quick answer for something that's going to impact them for the rest of their lives.
And when their lives change, insurance isn't something you think that I have to redo.
That's correct. I'm getting married soon, next month.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And that's one of the things that we reviewed. We looked at our old policies, and was it enough? We have a blended family, so we need more insurance to cover our blended family.
All right, good tip for you. Let's talk about deductibles right now, and I want you to take a look at something on the screen. As we talk about this, a lot of people don't really understand how those deductibles work. For example, a lot of people say, well, I have a $500 deductible. That means you're in for $500 no matter what the claim is.
That's correct.
So if there's a claim for $1,500, how does that work so people understand it in real dollars and cents out there?
If there's a claim for $1,500, you're responsible for the first $500 of the claim. The insurance company will pay the next $1,000 of that claim. The more responsibility that you take, so the higher your deductible, it typically reduces your premium.
All right, and I want to show you something about that. This is a study that was taken by another firm, but it's a study about Michigan households. And they were saying that if you raise your deductible, for example, from $500 to $2,000, your premium will drop 19%. Now, this is average, and it comes from insurancequotes.com. You don't have to buy into that, but specifically, what we're showing you here is that the more money you pay up front in your deductible, the lower your premiums can be.
Correct. Well, it's this way. The more risk that you assume, wealthy people typically have extremely high deductible rates because they can afford to pay the deductible. Myself, I have a $1,000 deductible on my auto, so I take more of the risk. The average person will probably have about $500 deductible.
All right. Tell me about discounts. There are all different kinds of discounts that people give and insurance companies give to us, and that can save you money right now.
Oh, absolutely. In the day of technology, we have the internet. And if you get your policy via the internet or emailed to you on a regular basis, there's a discount.
All right, so if you pay your entire premium up front, you can get a discount.
Absolutely.
The automatic payments you're talking about with all the webs and the emails and that gives you a discount. If you receive your bill through email or electronically, as you were just saying, if you receive any policy information, there's another discount that goes on there if you receive that electronically as well. Teenage drivers. A lot of them out there this summer.
Well, teenage drivers, if they take a safe driving course, they receive a discount for that. And you want to make sure that your teenage drivers are named on your policy as well, so that experience travels with them. Because at Allstate, we look for premier coverage when they have 3 years of previous insurance experience.
All right, and finally, before you leave, I want you to talk to the entrepreneurs out there because you do a lot of business with entrepreneurs. You are a local entrepreneur and a local businessman. What do they have to understand there?
Well, I focus on businesses of 4 employees or less because those are the businesses that I can typically help. But we are all struggling with the same kind of problems. We have a lack of information to get us through the day. How do you deal with taxes? How do you deal with insurance? Those kind of things. How do you market your company? And that's extremely important that small business people help one another. Allstate does have a book of resources that you can go through the internet through our commercial insurance product, and it helps the small business person.
All right, more information from Ray Moulden of Oak Park, Allstate Insurance, on our website, myfoxdetroit.com. It'll be on the Money Monday page. Ray, thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you.